Guys, today we are live in Enugu, Iwollo. We are here today to present to you Flexy 2026. Yes. When you talk of traditional marriage, like it's happening here live. Like when it comes to Igbo culture, we don't joke with traditional marriage. Yes. So if you think you will just do white wedding and leave tradition, no, it's not accepted in Igbo land. Traditional marriage, we don't joke with it because this is where we perform all the rites in marriages. So today we are here to witness the great day between Blessing and Alexander. Flexy 2026 today, live and direct. Like Otago, you see them well dressed traditionally, telling you that today is a traditional day and we are here to witness it live. So guys, let's go there. When you talk of traditional marriage, yeah, Flexy 2026, it's happening here live. It's going to be massive here, great event today that we witness purely in Igbo culture. Yes. You can see the couple of the day, Blessing and Alexander. Flexy 2026. Today is going to be wow. It's going to be a great day today that will be celebrating our culture, our unique culture, traditionally today. So guys, I'll be showing everything that will happen here live today. So get ready as we are going to Flexy day today. Traditionally, as they play the show, when you talk about culture, your queen is here to show you everything that will happening here today. As everybody is set here to celebrate this wonderful event today, I see the mayor girl, the arts and craft, queen of African culture. When you talk about culture, yes, it's happening here live and direct today, Flexy 2026 today, and it's going to be wow, as everything is going to be live here in Igbo culture, traditionally here, live and direct. So guys, I see the mayor get the man, the queen of African culture. Oh, Idagan.
I don't come here.
Go ahead, Marago.
Here, you marry Asian tiger or Arusi tiger.
Arusi tiger or Asian tiger.
Anyone can what I do chicken.
The man and mental no be ano and when the moon is all you know do from Asian tiger Quadrapado Kurunoka.
Why I bear our club member, Flexy. I better man ending on a made traditional marriage in town. The year not doing a dying. I have this Spring Empire. So I better go and you twine. Macaroni made dying oil.
The man and mental piano any young time.
And together.
I'm the men who know for come no, me invite them.
I'm by the middle, I in the middle of my turn by turn. Each other in Aduba and
We're gonna one and turn a band and we put this recana, Harry he be her.
Yemna the one I always come out to our club because I ain't trying to move me on the mint. So nobody can over Batolica, but the Yemna one of the marriage in one while. None again, marriage, I will get friend. And then with a lot of things to endure. So I have in the marriage. No, why?
Well, I need
I'm banning equal generation.
I don't know. Idagan.
Adumoy.
Yes, the man with the mass and crab. Good be married.
OGB one Cambodia.
My man and mental piano and one of is all your
Okay. Oh, one of our great member is Mayor Park of Enugu State. Today is in your own day, so on and wine. So I can be on the area and you're right. To see in the ozone. Yes, traditional marriage and wedding and trad.
Spring Empire.
Of course, today is your own. I know where this in the ozone. Mekoria or the Quachim Chim. Confirm, in my analo.
We're gonna go and then. Yabu put this snag and a chibuku that the Jimmy Maz and Mary have military on Rumbiano any Antanaku, the morning where you are starting Jemu, didn't win.
Isn't in a guy now, Motagua. As they were by going into marriage today now, so I need to go into bar before. Now I'm a me. Or I put them in one wish you good luck. So, working and wine. So, marriage successful. So, I'm the wish you. So, you know, I mean, I can't come on Jesus.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Idagan.
Admoy.
I am Budima Sankra. Go be the marriage.
I am Chinedu Omeje. Ana papa mo Alhaji Toto.
Alhaji Doctor.
Alhaji Toto.
Afọ m niile ezigbo ọyọ ebe anọ enwere ebe ya bụ mmemme a na-eme nta na gịnị bụ nwere ya agwa ya azụ onye kwado mesina na aba ga-achọrọ ime nke eme eze nọrọ gị ibe
Ndụmọdụ m na-enye na at least first of all that o take bold step ịghọtara and ụta ọ dịzi bụ ana ịghọtara ọ bụrụ ọzọ militin niile ka ọ ga na-eme ngwụcha sọntentị nọ ya onye ndụmọdụ m na-enye
ya m na-abịa ije ebe ezigbo ije shiri eshi
ọ bụ ezigbo ije dọghị na a sị na enye wụrụ nwaanyị bụ ezigbo ihe ka ọ bụ ezigbo ije
darụ anyị si mabịa nọ ịmanya na ebu nje n'ebe ọ kwado mgbe si na-aba ya eme ma anyị na-afụ na dị ọnọdụ na-agada ọyọyọyọ ibe nwere na-agwa ndị na-esolite gbasara ya bụ ije
ihe dị n'ije a na anaghị enye mmadụ enye n'ije a ya ọ bụ ịkwadote like mmadụ emere m sef anọdụkwa m uche just ụta mgbado ihe shaga ebe a na
mmeghe ege ya bụrụ
ezigbo ego ka bụ mmadụ ka taa so but na ya adịcha mma ya
mmadụ bịara ebe na-eme mmemme na-ekwulu ọbịa o wee bụ na ndị age grade ya wee ka esi wee laadị na community eke ego nye different age grade anọ from there si na a ga-akwala onye ọbụla akwa the man were ego kwa senator ego community before you know it ojiri senator adapụta ebe na-eme mmemme n'obodo ịma ọ na-adị abụ nwoke kwado ọfụma na senator ọ na-ewe fiti na especially ndị were afọ ukwu onye ke nji wee sị na most of these sport belly na-afụ some of them bụ ego eriri ụfọdụ bụ 5 block ebute small chop nke a na-adụrụ adụrụ odo na owebe ndị enyi ha bụ ibi emeche ka mma ka ndị a dị iche ọta emegbado ihe a niile oluzie ka di na nwunye eji maka ya wee gbakọ ọkwụpụta onye ọbụla ewepụtawe envelope ebe a ka nwoke nọ wee ma ya nọ keti abụ kọp. Alright, thank you ladies and gentlemen. Anyị nwere ndị live band n'ebe a, anyị nwere ndị DJ, anyị nwere ndị ọtụtụ egwu n'ebe a. Before we proceed, anyị na-ayọ ụmụnna ndị a na-abịa ịnụ ọdụ na-ebe n'Iwollo na-adị mma. Anyị na-ayọ ndị ọga ndị kọtara ugwu ofu ibe amaghị obodo okwu. Ụdị abalị na-abalị nọ dịnụ nkwadobe biko anyị chọrọ ịmalite emume a n'uju anyị agaghị egbu ọtụtụ oge. Anyị nabatasịa di na nwunye anyị ji maka wee gbakọọ anyị ebidobe nyaba emume n'uju.
Now you know. Now you know. Actually, maybe I'm Balling. Premium or nothing. Now you know. Now you know. Every now you know. That's what they do here. Yeah? You may want to hear? Lastly or nothing. Now you know. The bread. I get what they know. Ready. I get it. Yeah, already. Oh my God, the young man. Yeah, our bride is excited. Yeah, as they play the show, our bride is ready. Shut up, yeah. Premium. Yes, sir. Bride waits for G. Give him. Our bride they give her hot spot. Mama wearing gabasi. Agane, yadaba, agane, apatuba. Hey, Obollo-Afor. Yadaba. Look nice. Hey, yeah. Woo! Yes, yeah, buru okay. Ya buru okay. Yeah. Over the day.
One of the symbolical rights, rights in the traditional, rights in the important. Kedu ihe na-ekwu maka ya? Ụmụnna nke nwaanyị achọrọ m ka fa bụrụ mmanya bunye nwada na-akọbụ ụmụ ọkwa ibe. Ụmụnna ndị ụmụ ọkwa ibe tụọ mmanya uri ka ya wada uru biko. Wada ga-eji mmanya bunye di ya. ndị aṅụ onye bụ mmanya anyị agbakwa egwu ọzọ anyị ka nwekwa ndị otu dị iche iche n'ebe a ka ga-abụ ego biko Sọbeyo Emeka wherever you are please come to the MC ọwelo ezigbo oge asịsị zie ego ọ dị important Sọbeyo Emeka ebe ọ bụla ị mabekwute MC dede n'iwa DJ ka anyị na-aga n'ihu ndị ụmụ okwu ibe chọọnụ mmanya unu ga-ebunye nwadị unu bikonu ụmụ okwu ibe kedu mmanya unu ga-ebunye nwadị unu ka obunye bịa ka anyị na-aga n'ihu DJ
Yes, so when you talk of tradition and culture of Igbo, yes, this is the most important part now. That is very, very important. Yes, the bride now will be showing us her husband today, right now. So this is one of the most important parts in Igbo tradition that is very necessary and important that must be done. Let me hear you go chop am. Let me hear you go chop am. I leave you go you go. It's a boutique. Mbatasie emezi. The most important part in Igbo tradition, Radaba. Ije love, Abu Gobere. Call one person, tell them it's nobody to come. Nobody to come. This one. And this one. Yes, that's the most important part. If it's not done like this, never start. Everywhere is too. Agunwa. Achalugo. Obidia. Yadaba. Oriakudia. Oriakudia. Nachobi mo Jeremo ayagwanam agada adaba atalugo dirawa ngara kwesere yes again ngara kwesere yes adabazia kana chalo hey oyere miru oyere yumi what am I looking for say my God in and give me you give me I was giving a just so I was giving me just so you go love me I do go Akugo. Then I call your name, Shakara for me. Ma. Be my Julie. Yes, ma. Akugo. Give me a lot of go on away. Yadaba. Yadabazia, Akugo na one. Me and you, Aqua Munagi, my baby. Me and you, Aqua Munagi, my baby. Oh, hey, there are just us. I will give them the just us. You know, say you go love me. Oh, Akugo. Shakara again. The most important part has been done. When it comes to Igbo tradition, yes, this is the most important part. After the drink, you return the cup to the elder, the father, and he bless the couple. Yes, in Igbo culture, we do not do without this part. This is the most important part. The father is blessing the two couples for them to have a fruitful marriage. They are confirmed couple now, fully in Igbo tradition. I said, it's about you. God has blessed this home. Yes. She's a blessed child. Yes. No man can put us under. Yes. Going forward. Yes, so have their lips. they are late. Yeah. Leave her. Let them finish. Let the park. We don't know who the big. We don't know who Asempete, Adabeke. Hey, my baby. Iwollo, my baby. Atalugo, youngest couple 2026. No capping. Clocking. This is all I have. Fuck you. Baby, in a bawa me. Aye, baby. Fire Club of Enugu today. Now this people follow come, no for sure. Your sound is okay, ba? So we welcome the Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State today, as they are here to celebrate with their colleagues here today. This is how they do it. It's their rules and regulation in their club, yes. When it's time to celebrate with their member, they do it this way, yeah. Yeah, Daba. Supreme Empire Club of Enugu, yeah, Daba. Love is all that when I look at you. You're my baby. Baby, my baby. Yes, so Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State is here live and direct to celebrate with their members. Blessing Alexander, bless 2026, the latest couple in town. No dull moment with Supreme Empire Club of Enugu. No darling. As they play the show, men mount. It can only be Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State. Yes, so again, it can only be Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State, live and direct. As they play the show, men mount. They are live here. Again, they go far, Google. The only bride that there's no dull moment with this bride, there's a vibe upon vibe. Anyone. Supreme Empire Club of Enugu, that here live and direct. As they play the show, the only club with the doings. Anyone. Yes, so ego money na water. Wait, come up for you, I bet. Yeah, Daba. Oh, wait. Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State, men mount. Yeah, Daba. Yeah, Kotuba. As they play the show, that the reggae play the blues. As I do, they do. Say baby boo, boo. Even your boo get it boo. But I didn't want to come and see. Again, Lolo don't wear. I tell you, go to that one. Take Celebrate. Yadaba. I just want to celebrate it. That's for my Yadaba. Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State that here alive. Money na water. Money na water. Yadaba. Yakotuba. Father, 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 It can only be Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State. If you not be there, no good body. Now only them people like this. As they play the show. Yadaba. 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 Yakotuba. Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State, live and direct. Yes, so. Yakotuba. Yakotuba. Money na water. Money na water. Money na water. Yes, so. Problem.